So, now see here, we have done refracting type telescope. Now, we are going to the reflecting type telescope. See here, in reflecting type telescope, we use a concave mirror, a big concave mirror having the large radius of curvature, and you know this concave mirror is used as a reflector here. So, the rays coming from infinite strike at this point and gets reflected by the concave mirror. Then these rays fall on the convex mirror over here, that is called a secondary mirror, and when these rays are reflected from this convex mirror, meet at this point and final image is formed here. Now, see here we can get the final image, but this type of the telescope has got many advantages over the refracting type telescope. And here this type of telescope is known as Cassegrainian telescope. So, see, in case of this reflecting type telescope, what are the main advantages? First thing is here, brightness of the images are the much better than the refracting type telescope. There is no chromatic aberration because the mirror are used here. There is no chance of the spherical aberration because of this concave mirror, but in refracting type telescope it is here. And also in convex mirror or the lenses, in case of the refracting type telescope, we need lens, and lenses making of the large size to gather more light is difficult to support them. But here the concave mirror easily can be made of the large size and they can be given the support and they can gather large amount of light here. So, reflecting type telescopes are considered to be better than the refracting type telescope. So, this is the one important question here, what are the advantages of the reflecting type telescopes over refracting type telescope?